Welcome to the Weather Center. Let's check on what the weather has in store for the last day of your work week. It's going to stay mostly cloudy with rain and drizzle over eastern KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and Limpopo. In the meantime, thunder showers are forecast for the rest of South Africa, and the storms could become scattered in the afternoon and evening hours across the Free State, parts of the Mpumalanga Highveld, as well as parts of Gauteng. Then late at night, this cold front hits our shores, introducing a bit of rain into the southwest coastline. So scattered thunderstorms are forecast once again this Friday, where you see that dark shade of blue from Limpopo into Gauteng, the eastern parts of the northwest and Free State, across the Mpumalanga Highveld, spilling into northwestern KwaZulu-Natal. The lighter shades of blue represent up to a 40% chance of precipitation. It's going to be pretty hot once again this Friday over the western parts of the country. Temperatures reaching the mid and upper 30s in most areas, especially over the interior of the Eastern Cape, where Graafrenet will shoot to around 30 degrees. Port Elizabeth will also hit the 30-degree mark, slightly cooler as we go towards East London. A warm 27 is forecast for Durban. Similar temperatures around Mbombela. It's going to be slightly cooler in Gauteng. Johannesburg peaking at 24, 26 for the high in Pretoria. A high of 30 is forecast in Mahikeng. The mother city should peak at around 27 degrees. If you are going to get an early break this Friday, it looks like we don't have great beach conditions along the west coast. It's going to be mostly cloudy here with moderate southwesterlies for most areas. Northwesterlies are forecast, however, as we go towards Langaban. We are also expecting northwesterlies across much of the southwest coastline. Poor beach conditions are forecast here around Cape Agulhas and Hermanus, thanks to the strong winds expected over these coastal areas. It's going to be pretty breezy as well along much of the south coast, with the winds gusting up to 45 kilometers per hour for Port Elizabeth and Jeffreys Bay, blowing from a northeasterly direction. And we're expecting swell heights to average 2.5 meters. Lastly, along the east coast, strong winds are also going to keep beach conditions uninviting, especially around the Wild Coast and East London. And light rain will also keep you away from the beach around Durban and Richards Bay. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your Friday.